Surrounding the heart, which you cannot see from this model, is the fibrous pericardium. On the outer layer, inside the fibrous pericardium, is the epicardium. The middle layer, which you can see right here, is the myocardium, and the endocardium is on the inside of the heart. To get an orientation of the heart, here we have the apex. Here is the base. This is the right side, and this is the left side. Here we have our two auricles, right and left. On the anterior portion of the heart, we have the anterior interventricular groove, which houses our red anterior interventricular artery. Blue is our great cardiac vein. Here we have our atrioventricular sulcus, and the red is our right coronary sulcus with our right coronary artery. Here we have our left coronary artery, which goes up and into under the left auricle. For our posterior view, we have our posterior interventricular groove, which houses, in red, our posterior interventricular artery. Here, in blue, is our coronary sinus. Also, in our posterior view, we have our pulmonary arteries in red and our pulmonary veins in blue. This is the aorta in red. Branching off the aorta, we have the brachiocephalic artery, our left common carotid artery, and the left subclavian artery, which is not shown on this model. In blue, we have our superior vena cava in the anterior view and our inferior vena cava on the posterior view. This, in blue, is also the pulmonary trunk. Inside the heart, we have our two atria and our two ventricles. Our right atria, and inside the right atria, we have our fovea ovalis. This is the left atria. Right ventricle and left ventricle. Also, between the two atria inside are the interatrial septum. Our atrioventricular valves are, from right atria to left ventricle, is our tricuspid valve, shown in white here. From the left atria to left ventricle is our bicuspid valve, right here in white. These strings, known as the heartstrings or chorda tendineae, come off of the bicuspid and tricuspid valves and attach here to our papillary muscles. In between the two ventricles is our interventricular septum. This here is the pulmonary semilunar valve. And this here is our aortic semilunar valve.